I have had a few people ask me about purchasing a home using their Section 8 voucher. So if you have a Section 8 voucher and you like to use it to purchase a home, then you're in the right place. I'm gonna do a quick video just to let you know the steps that you need to take to start off. And then once you complete these steps, then we can go into the home buying process. There are actually 8 steps on the list, and I'm gonna refer to my notes here so I don't forget anything. So the first thing that we need to take care of is you need to make sure that your housing authority offers the home ownership program. If your housing authority doesn't offer the home ownership program, then you cannot use your voucher to purchase a home. You have to do it either the traditional way and give up your voucher, or just continue to lease using your voucher. I live in Houston, so I work with mostly Harris County voucher holders and Houston Housing Authority voucher holders. These two authorities do offer the home ownership program. However, I am licensed in the entire state of Texas, so if you are interested in purchasing a home somewhere else in the state of Texas and you want to know if your voucher offers a home purchase program using your voucher, then you can reach out to me, and I'll be glad to help you figure that out and see what the best option would be for you. For number 2, all of your credit scores have to be at a 640. So that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. All of them have to be 640. What we start out doing is I have you pull your own credit report through myfico.com. The reason I do that is because with myfico.com, it shows the credit score that the lender will be using to give you the loan to purchase a house. So that's a specific score that's offered through myFICO. If the lender pulls your credit report, it'll take a ding on your credit score. So you can lower your credit score by having the lender pull your report. But if you pull it yourself, then it won't take a ding, and you can have the records for yourself, and you can provide that to the lender so that they can see if you're ready to start the process. Step 3, you have to be employed for the past 12 months. So you have to be employed for 1 year straight. You have to make at least $16,000, and you have to work at least 30 hours a week. If you are elderly or disabled, then you are exempt from those financial requirements. Also, number 4, you want to wait. You want to wait until you have 4 months left on your lease to start the process. The reason for that is because you have to be in good standing with your current landlord. Number 5, so how much do you need to have as far as finances? So you want to have at least 3.5% of what the cost of the house is for your down payment. We recommend having at least that amount for the down payment. For example, if you're buying a house that costs $300,000, you need to have $10,500 available to put that down on your house. It is required that you have $1,000 in your bank account in order to start the program. If you are not able to come with the $10,500 for your down payment, you can receive that money in gifts. What does that look like? If you have a relative, if you have a church, if you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend who can, I'll give you that money, a parent, a sibling, a relative, they can offer that to you in gift funds, and you can use that gift to put down on your house. You can use your 401k as well if you have a 401k. And if you need help with figuring out how to access your 401k to get the money to purchase your home, I can assist you with that as well. In addition to having your down payment, you also want to have the closing costs. The closing costs are normally 3% of the cost of the house, so that's an additional $9,000 to $10,000. So in total, you're looking at $25,000. However, I have been able to assist. Currently, I have been able to get my clients assistance with closing costs, some even down payment assistance. Depending on what your circumstances, you may not be eligible for those things. If you don't qualify, then you will have to come to the table with the full closing costs and the full down payment amount. So just be aware of that. However, you need, in order to start the program, you have to have $1,000 in your account just to start it off. So once you've taken care of all of those things, you have the $1,000 in your account, you've been on your job for a year, you work 30 hours a week, you are in good standing with your landlord, all of those things, then you will apply with the lender, and they will give you a pre-approval letter. The pre-approval letter is what you use to purchase your home, because you need a loan to purchase a house. With that pre-approval letter, you will go to step 7. Let your caseworker know that you need to convert your rental voucher to a purchase voucher. The last thing you need to do before you get your purchase voucher, which is step 8, is if you have to take the 8-hour home buyer education class that is offered through HUD. So that's pretty much it. Those are the 8 steps that you'll need to take in order to start the program to purchase a home using your Section 8 voucher. I know that's a lot of information. If it's too vague or it's some part where you are confused about, you can reach out to me, and I can get with you one-on-one and help you out with anything specific that you need. Until next time, you guys have a great day.